So the other thing underneath that I'm going to address is that exhaust leak you just heard when I started it up. There's that exhaust leak. Yeah. It looks like we've lost the nuts that go on these here studs. I'm not sure that these studs are savable. And our gasket's hanging out. I wonder if I can spread that apart enough. So I may have to maybe rig that up with some washers or something to get that to press down. All right, let's get a pry bar. Choose you. Yeah, looks like she'll spread. Okay. Let's. That light sucks. Oh no, that's gonna be. Heat shield's lovely. Okay. I need my bar back. I don't think we need those. All right. That thing, I don't know if that'll work or not. Let's try these two. Ooh. That's too big. That one seems to be just right. Yes, sir. All right, what is this one? M12 by 125. M12 by 125. Do I have another one? Aha, I do. Fantastic. All right. A couple of those. Get in like that. Come around over here. There we go. Come on. Get the hell on there. Really? There we go. Okay. Now, to get everything lined back up, it would help to see. Just like that. All right. I do believe the impact was the wrong choice. So, 2 washers is too many. Okay, there's one started. Get you together. 2 started. All right. I mean, if anything, it should be much better. There's no gaping hole there anymore, but look at you locking yourself. All right. Much better. Actual exhaust coming out of the back. All right. We do have a check engine light all of a sudden. That's new. Probably washer fluid low. Yeah, I saw that. Doesn't have a lid on it. Okay.